Hey guys, Mr. C. I'm out today. Both my daughters are sick, so they're going to be home from school. Let me just walk you through what's going on today in class. It shouldn't be any surprises. We're just kind of wrapping up the things from the week. All right. First, take the Power Words quiz. It'll get posted at the start of every class for you guys. 16 words this week, so should be pretty simple. Second thing is the Unteachables. Chapters 4 through 7. You guys are in varying spots of completion there. I'm not going to get around to collecting that until Monday. So I had like a vocabulary activity plan with a group, and so we'll do that on Monday. But so just make sure that by the time you walk out of class, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are done, and you guys are ready to talk about those first thing Monday morning. All right. Third is the Titanic essay that we've been working on for like 4 days. First of all, well, let's do this. On the assignment, I posted an example that has all the pieces that you need. Okay, starting with the heading. Okay, so just make sure that there's a heading. It's the same thing that you did with the persuasive essay. Talked a lot about this yesterday. Figure out a logical way to introduce this using some of the background information you guys used or learned in the unit about the Titanic, and then making sure that your claim is in there. You should have the two paragraphs, both with different main ideas. Making sure that both paragraphs have that citation inside them. The first one should either say slideshow or amplify, depending. The people that did the radio operator have to cite the amplify source. And then with the second paragraph, you need to make sure that the website that you used, either the author, and if there is no author, the publisher of the website gets listed in parentheses as well. And then just a logical way to wrap up and conclude your essay. So I'm looking for 4 paragraphs here. This shouldn't be a surprise. It's clear as day. Just some quick things, making sure that each paragraph is indented and that you have 4 clear paragraphs, a intro, body 1, body 2, and conclusion. Okay. And that's there for you guys to look at. Secondly, the rubric, how I'm going to grade you. As always, for the Titanic essay, 6th grade appropriate spelling, punctuation, and grammar. If the Titanic is capitalized, any proper noun, city, name of person, company, that's all a capital letter. Commas in the right place, periods in the right place, using spell check. You need 2 different sources of information, one provided by me and one self-researched. And again, like I was just saying a second ago, that you're including those sources in the paragraph. No surprise again, the paragraph format, each is 4 paragraphs long, an intro, conclusion, 2 body paragraphs with different main ideas. And the paragraphs are indented. It's just a tab one time. We've talked about this before. And that you have an effective conclusion and introduction using background information from the Titanic. I always struggled when I was writing essays all the time with intros and conclusions. You just got to figure out something that makes sense. And especially with the intro, making sure that your claim is in there somewhere. We did this exact thing when we wrote our persuasive essays. We had to figure out a way to get the thesis in. We're not going so far as to write a full thesis, but you do need your claim of, I think this person or this company is to blame for the loss of life. Okay, so 2 things due today. Unteachable, actually 3. The quiz, finishing up the Titanic essay, and then the Unteachables thing. Just be ready to talk about that on Monday. I am going to collect the packets on Monday, and we'll do the vocab activity then. So I'll see you guys after the weekend. So have a good day.